Well, I consider the fact that before 1900, the polity called Nigeria today consisted of diverse ethnic nationalities, each with its own model of statecraft. Between 1900 to 1963, 30th September, colonial administration brought all those diverse ethnicities together, put them through a whole gamut of what it takes to operate a republican democracy for a period of 64 years, after which the transition period from 1st October 1960 to 30th September 1963 was an opportunity for those ethnic nationalities to make a decision to continue as one polity or to disaggregate into ethnic boundaries, as it were,